This video will show you how to connect a 6 kilowatts hybrid inverter to a 51.2 volts 100 ampere hour lithium battery. The entire system consists of 4 parts: power grid, battery, solar panel, inverter. Before installation, please check the completeness of the accessories and read the instructions carefully. Step 1. Wiring. Open the power grid line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the power grid input cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect it to LN. After connection, tighten the waterproof cover of the interface. The live wire input needs to be inserted into the CT. Open the output line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the output cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect it to LN. After connection, tighten the waterproof cover of the interface. Open the battery line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the battery input cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect to the positive and negative terminals. Connect the circuit to the positive and negative terminals of the lithium battery. Connect the PV lines. All done. Step 2. Startup. Turn on the power grid switch. Press the inverter startup button. The screen will light up. Turn on the battery switch. Press the battery startup button. Click on each section to observe the parameters. Step 3. Shutdown. Press the inverter button. Turn off the power grid and battery switches. Shutdown completed successfully.